Okay, g'day, good evening guys. Welcome to a little tutorial video about Mole version 2 demo video. I need some bodies here to show stuff off. So, the new Mole, it functions a lot like the old Mole, except for some, I'm not on Skype. Except at work. Yeah, so that's my work computer getting called by there. Anyway, yes, so Mole version 2. I will show you guys what's going on. We'll just go into game mode 0. And the skeleton has seen me, so we'll just run over here. So the major difference... Oh god, those guys are killing each other. The major difference is that water is a pain in the ass to get out of. No. The new Mole plugin supports loadouts. For anyone not familiar with what the Mole is, it is teams of 4 or more, or less even. And at some point in the game, one of the players is set as the Mole, and it is their job to kill the other moles. So, first of all, there's a command called mole help, which gives you the 3 mole commands, so MCC, MCL, MCP. So you can chat to other moles, send your location to other moles, or list the other moles. The next most common one is random teams, and we'll say there are 3 teams. So if I do 3 random teams, teams are set. /teams shows off the teams. They just get given random names. So we've got the Incredible Knights, the Brutal Fatties, and the Brutal Chick Hunters, as TG is. You can also go like this, remove from team TG, and that has removed TG from that team. So I can now go teams, and he's not in there. I can now also go /add to team TG, and then team 1 should work. Teams, we now have TG in the Brutal Fatties, so we'll just remove him again, and we will add him to team 2. Actually no, we'll leave him removed. Another command that it supports is create team. Foo can only be 1 at the moment. TG. Teams. We now have the Incredible Knights, the Brutal Fatties, and Foo with TG on it. So we'll just go back to random teams. Let's say we'll have 1 random team. Teams are set. And now the usual command you're used to, set moles. It wasn't me. But if you're opt on your server, you can use moles, and you can see that TGMB1 is the mole. So let's go back to random teams of 1 now, and set moles. So now everyone is the mole. Okay, apparently not. Hang on. Mole is camp. What did I do there? Oh wait, sorry. 3 random teams. And we'll set the moles. Now we have the items. Okay, so this is the interesting thing, loadouts. So we've got the mobber, a thing here, I renamed that earlier, the sapper, the trapper, the troll, and the fighter. So let's say you wanted to be the troll. You click on that, bam. You've now got a bunch of wonderful, there's plenty of noun adjectives. You've now got a bunch of wonderful troll items. For example, pig spawners to freak everyone out for fun, and other stuff like that. But the real power of the new plugin comes from this. So I can go assign item, loadout, let's say loadout 2, item 1 I guess, which is the name, new loadout. Reload items, And then we can have another set of random teams. Set the moles again. And we have a new loadout. The second thing you can specify is assign item number 2. Then you need to set it to be, this is setting the item. So for this item you can set the number, so let's say item 63, the count, so we'll have 4 of them, and the damage value, which for most things is 0. So we just change the items, reload the items. You'll have to do this at the start of the game. Random teams, set the moles, and you've now got a new loadout with a new item covering it. I'm not sure what that is. Pistons, I think? Something retarded like that. Anyway, the final thing, of course, is you can assign items 3 through to 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you remember the items we had before, I think the first items was the fireworks. So this should be pistons. So let's say that. The damage values for things like wool or potions. And if you set, actually, yeah, let's just do a quick, let me just look here, get the ID for a potion, which is 373. So we'll go 373, 2 of them, a damage value of, oh god, potions have really confusing long ones, don't they? God, I can't remember. It's like 882 something. I will just do 0 for now, and 1 for splash. And now we're gonna go reload items, 3 random teams, set moles, pick our thing, and we now have some potion in here. Oh no, wait, derp. Sorry guys, random teams 3, set moles. Was it in that one or was it in the troll that I set it in? No, it was this one. It's the first item, mundane potion, there you go. So it's given us 2 mundane potions. So that basically means you can now set whatever item you want in the mole loadouts by using the assign items. It's persistent, so it's saved to the plugin folder, so you can quit your thing down and start it up again. Oh, go away, guy. Why can't you just piss off? Arg! I just want to get out of here. There you go. That'll keep him busy. The last one that we can do is if I go random teams 1. So our teams, the Bloodthirsty Enderman, blah 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 blah. I can PM them. Hi guys. Use the PM command to write something. And it doesn't tell me what I said, so I should fix that. But hopefully one of them will figure this out. Do 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 do. Do do do. No, they're not going to figure it out. Oh, bring that base. Okay, right, very good. They've figured it. They've figured it out. So you can PM amongst teammates, and that's wonderful. There's also one other thing that needs to be done. If you want, on deaths, people can be removed from that list. So if I were to die, I'd be removed from the list. That's fine. Now, hang on, where are we? I will not, whoops. I will not be removed from the list, but if I go start game, kill, teams, I'm now removed from the list. So you can use that how you'd like, but the way I would suggest it is you set the teams, scatter people, Berg 1, oops, what have I done here? Oh, do I have to do naught? That did it. Okay, so it's 0 to whatever. So the 0 thing in the list. I might fix that up for you guys. But anyway, what I would suggest is if you're running a game, set the teams up, scatter everybody so that they die, whatever. Hit start game so that they can be removed from the list. It's just a handy little thing to have. But the last one you can do is aggregate. I think it's just aggregate teams. Aggregate team. And what this should do is teleport. Ouch. Ow, dead. Okay, it teleports everyone to the top person in that list. So basically it's an easy way of moving teams together. So yeah, this is the mole plugin. I'll put a download link below so all you hosts can get creating your games. You can modify, if you run the plugin once, you'll get a default config where you can modify all the different things. There we go. I'm now in a recursive end portal. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you guys have some fun and come up with some really cool loadout ideas. There's lots of new people in the community, so get them involved in some moly action. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye now. This dragon's a wimp. Yeah, take that. Alrighty guys, see you now.